BooksRuncom review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. If you're looking to buy or sell textbooks, most people get this wrong by not realizing how buyback and rental pricing works. The surprising truth is that BooksRuncom offers competitive buyback rates, rentals and sales, but prices depend heavily on book condition, edition and demand. Buying new or used textbooks can range from to, depending on the subject and edition. Renting books is often cheaper for a semester with return deadlines. Selling books back can earn you 30%, 70% of the original price for high-demand editions, but older or damaged textbooks fetch less. What you get: multiple options: buy, rent or sell, free shipping on orders over a set amount, and a straightforward return process. What you give up: limited availability for rare editions and potential shipping delays during peak seasons. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Compare buying versus renting for each textbook. Step 2. Inspect your book carefully before selling to maximize buyback. Step 3. Track rental deadlines to avoid late fees. Step 4. Check promo codes or student discounts. You won't believe what happens next if you skip edition verification. Ordering the wrong edition can cost extra time and money. The surprising truth is that BooksRuncom pricing reflects market demand, book condition, and edition scarcity. In conclusion, BooksRuncom provides flexible textbook solutions for students. Understanding condition, edition, and rental versus purchase options ensures you get the most value for your money.